how to remove Instagram multiple sign in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines and go to the settings, and here you can see the in the Android, this is set up multiple account login in the logins tab. So click on the setup multiple login, and it will show that you have to select the account which will when you log into this account, you can also log into the other account that you selected. So I select this account, and then you have to click next, okay, and then you have to also select the other account that you want to log into using this account. So you can select any of the account that you want, and like I select this one and then click next, and then here you can see the click on the done. And then what you have to do is again go to the multiple account login, and here you can see the now what you have to do is, if you want to remove this account, click on the account, and click remove, and you can add any of the account that you want. So that's basically it. And if you want to remove also this account, then you can also click on the remove, and then click on the account, and when you click on the account, this uh, page appear, this little page appears, and you have to click on the remove, and this account is removed. So that's basically it, that how you can set up multiple account login. And it means that if you sign into this account, this my first account, like you saw in the top of the page, you will also log in into this selected account. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that this tutorial helped you. If you don't get help with the tutorial, please let me know in the comments and what your question